Hi everyone, it's Lolly Love with Gratitude Realty presenting San Diego's premier luxury apartments, Park 12, The Collection. Featuring an epic East Village location in the heart of it all, Park 12 provides a coveted city lifestyle located next door to Petco Park. Imagine watching a baseball game from your living room, not to mention the exceptional water and city views that you get every day. Then to top it off, the unparalleled amenities at Park 12 create truly an unforgettable living experience. This is the perfect place to entertain, featuring 2 large pools with social lounges. Residents also have access to their very own bowling alley, a video arcade, golf simulator, a private theater room, and so much more. And let's not forget about our pets, who benefit by a private pet wash and dog park, not to mention a great walking location. Park 12 is truly a lifestyle, and we look forward to giving you a private tour.